And the next one is support, and more so from external and a user community support. Before we spoke about the direct support from the supplier, but this one relates to users in the community, and it's much more prevalent now that users help users. There are groups, there are Facebook groups, there are LinkedIn groups, people with some skills that provide scripts and advice and coding and all sorts of add-on applications that make the primary practice management system enhanced or reinvigorated for those who've had it for some time. So take a look at the user community, ask around for them from the different products that you're reviewing, what their community engagement's like, whether they facilitate that, because it can become crucial, and especially independent consultants as well. So find out how many specialists there are in the community, that third parties, so you don't always have to go to the software supplier for support or consulting or training. There are great former employees who are product managers or developers or consultants. There's a whole bunch of people out in the market that know different applications that are great at what they do, and often the best at what they do. So find out for the products that you're assessing who's out there and the community support.